New DNA technology is helping police get better ideas of what their suspects might look like, and sometimes, more importantly, what they do not look like.
This new service analyzes genetic information. Departments across Hampton Roads are now using it.
Investigative reporter Laura Geller joins us with our week-long series about new forensic technology.
We have shown you composite profiles recently released by detectives in cases they haven't been able to solve. A company in Northern Virginia is using DNA samples from these cases to create the sketches. Now we're taking you inside Parabon Nanolabs to show you science investigators say may hold the keys to solving some gruesome crimes.
DNA has long been used to help detectives identify suspects or tie them to crime scenes. But if there's no match or hit in a database, that profile couldn't tell investigators much of anything else. Now, phenotyping has changed everything.
Snapshot is just an entirely new way to think about forensic DNA.
Think of your DNA as a blueprint for what you look like. Biomarkers produce the wide range of appearances among people. They're why this person has brown hair and this one has a narrow, long face. Dr. Ellen Graytek with Parabon Nanolabs explains.
We know the DNA codes for the color of your eyes, the shape of your face, the color of your hair, and we're just reading that information out.
So when law enforcement, like we've seen in both Isle of Wight and Virginia Beach, bring Parabon a DNA profile taken from evidence, scientists here can put the information in a computer algorithm to predict the physical traits. They focus on those that are externally visible and entirely genetic.
When we make a prediction,
Dr. Graytek shows us how the genetic information is given a numerical value, which falls upon a scale of options.
In this prediction, this person is most likely to have blonde hair, much less likely to have brown hair, but it's not impossible, but they almost certainly don't have black hair.
When the data corresponding to face shapes is entered into the system,
so you're sort of adding more and more detail each time.
This generic picture morphs into a specific shape.
You see each of them, we have X, Y, Z, so that's width, height, and depth. And in each face, red is basically an increase and blue is a decrease.
Everything is combined into this composite profile report given to police departments. Each prediction has a confidence level.
We emphasize that this is not a photograph.
So in investigations, Graytek explains detectives can use the composite to prioritize the suspects on their list.
So it's not going to tell you it's this one individual, but it can tell you it's a small subset of those individuals, and what we really focus on is who is it not. We're never saying take this person off the suspect list, we're just saying they're less likely to match.
So far, the science has been used in about 150 cases across the country, including one dating back 45 years. In our area, police are now hoping to use Snapshot to crack cases.
Just to realize that there is technology that exists today that did not exist in 2004, and there will be technology that exists tomorrow and next week and next month that did not exist today. And each advancement in technology is something that law enforcement can use to bring us one step closer to solve.
Analysis of a single DNA sample costs $3,600. While law enforcement has been using the advancement, it is not without critics. Tomorrow on 13 News Now at 11, we'll explain how one Virginia advocacy group is asking law enforcement to steer clear of this system. Laura Geller, 13 News Now.